It's taken me a lifetime as a writer to prepare for writing the story of being emotionally abused as a child. And I wanted to convey or discover the exact shape of that damage and where it has left me. So I'll read the opening of Nightshade Mother, if I may. The last thing my mother said to me was, "Shut up." In hospital, suffering from pneumonia, Eryl began to call for her own parent. "I don't know why I want her. We didn't even get on," she said. "But when it comes to the really big crises in life, only your mother will do." I didn't dare hold Eryl's hand, even though she was dying. Soon she became more restless, so I called a nurse, and we made small talk in Cymraeg, our voices low. Suddenly Eryl commanded, "Shut up." Even at death's door, she couldn't bear for me to speak. I missed Eryl's last breath, but I sat for a while with the body. Out loud I said, "Well, we had a good fight." But already I felt safer.